Hi friend, and welcome back to the craft table at Sunny Mouse Studio. I showed this card the other day on the shorts. It's a cute ombre effect, and you can use any color you like, of course. But I thought I'd show you how I do it. I usually start with a pencil and pencil in my greeting first. And then I've been using this Sakura Glaze pen. Excuse me. It's kind of got this glossy, dark black ink that I like. And really, every one of these cards comes out different. I just think of different doodles that go with Christmas time and just add a whole bunch until it's full. And sometimes I'll try to do 3 of something, so I'll do a Christmas tree 3 times. And just spread the elements out. And also I usually work at the top down so that I'm not smearing this ink. And you could do things like little holly leaves with the berries. Just 3 little dots of leaves. Sometimes I like to put these in the corner, kind of. Oops. This is my son's table. I'm getting messy. And what else? Like a gingerbread man. Just like the little head with the arms and the legs. Oh, he's a little funny. Sometimes I'll draw them out, especially ones that I know I have trouble with. Let's do another one of him over here. See if I can make this one a little more like a gingerbread man. And a star. You can, whatever doodles you like to draw for Christmas. Sometimes it's fun to draw Christmas lights. I usually draw the string and then draw the bulbs on it. And what else? Candy canes, of course. And once you get all the big pieces on, you can go back and just put snowflakes or little dots just to kind of fill in the little empty spaces around them. Oh, I'm making lots of messes. Oops. This pen is very juicy, so you make sure to not drag your hand over it. You could do like a little Santa's hat. Some mittens on a string. And just keep going around. You can do little mugs of hot chocolate. And if you mess up something, don't worry about it because there's so many things on here. It will blend in. Do some little greenery. Maybe a candle. A Christmas ornament. Anyway, just keep going around and filling it in. There's one that I've already done and let dry. And then I wanted to show you how I got that ombre effect. It's just, I usually start with really saturated at the top and then just add in water as I go down to make it lighter. And I'm going to use that billiard green, this one out of the Art Nouveau set. And oh yes, when I'm going to paint the whole card, I take like an old piece of cardboard or cereal box or something to protect the table. And I could stand to use a bit bigger brush. This is a number 6. Could use a bigger one. Oh wow, that was really saturated. I'll add some water to thin that out so you can see what's underneath. Oh, this is that Meeden paper. I don't normally use this as much, and it soaks up the paint. It's very textured compared to what I normally paint on. So it's going to take a lot more water. Yeah, I should have used a bigger brush, but that's okay. My bigger brush is still packed, I think, from our move. I'm trying to make sure this top is pretty saturated. And now I'll start adding in water and kind of pulling that paint down to make it lighter at the bottom. You can also just put some on your palette and add a lot of water to it to make it light. As much as you might want to go back and smooth something out, I would recommend not doing that, because then you'll end up with streaks that look kind of odd. We're getting down to the very bottom. I'm just going to let that dry. And that's the idea of the ombre effect. And I love these cards because a lot of times in the boxes of cardstock that I buy, I have a lot of the white, and white is tricky unless you're doing something that has all color. So it's a great way to use up white cardstock, is to do something that's all colored like this. I thought it also looked good on mint. Let's see here. It's not usually what you would think of as a Christmas color, but you can't really see, but it does look good on that color as well. Anyway, it's just a side thought. But I hope you're having fun making some Christmas cards, or hope you'll save this and bookmark it for later as it gets closer to Christmas, and that you'll enjoy making these cards too. They're really peaceful and fun to do in an evening. So I hope you're doing well, and I look forward to sharing more Christmas stuff with you soon. Take care.